happening. For joining us, everybody, I'm Steve McMurray. Gary is off today.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Let's get right to a check of your forecast. 2 words to sum up today: cloudy and rain, and it's really coming down overnight.
Yeah.
Even on the way in, it was still really heavy rain. So if you're on the road in the next hour or so, be careful of hydroplaning because it's really raining heavy.
Yes, so ponding on the roads this morning. No flooding issues yet.
Not yet. We're keeping an eye on it, though.
Yes, and then the heavy rain clears out right around sunrise, so we should be fine, I think, with the flooding issues, which is good.
But then, so that's good, but then a little more rain the rest of the day.
Yeah, like scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible.
That happens.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. We are seeing that heavier band, that yellow color. It did move off into the east. It's towards the eastern portion of Otsego County at the point, along with the Adirondacks. The rest of us seeing more moderate rain at this point. It's still widespread, but this will move out by the time the sun rises, and then we will be seeing periods of dry weather and then scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the day. Those thunderstorms don't look severe. We will remain on the cooler side. We'll remain just near 70 degrees for the high temperature today, and then we're in the 60s this morning. We have 61 degrees in Earlville and Richfield Springs. Still humid, but we can see if we look to the west, the humidity is decreasing as this cold front is moving through. So we will be seeing a break in the humidity today as well. So the heavier rain clears out here this morning. We will be seeing breaks of dry periods and some peaks of sunshine, but we continue to see unsettled weather today with scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the afternoon and evening, even a few lingering showers tomorrow morning. So today, expect scattered showers and thunderstorms once this heavy rain clears out. We will be cooler and turn less humid. It's also going to be windy. I will talk a little bit more about the weekend forecast coming up, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Let's get right to it. The Oneida County.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Welcome back. We are seeing widespread heavier rain this morning, but it clears out, I would say, by sunrise, and then we continue to see the chance of just scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the afternoon today, and then even overnight into Saturday morning a little bit. But by later Saturday morning, 8, 9 a.m., we do look to dry out, and then we will just be seeing cloudy skies for Saturday. So it does look a little bit cooler on Saturday with highs just in the upper 60s, and it will be breezy with cloudy skies after some lingering showers in the morning. So today we will continue to see the dew point decrease as this cold front moves through, and then we will be seeing a low humidity for tomorrow with that cooler weather. It starts to increase a little bit again for Sunday, still comfortable though, and then our next time we will be humid looks to be on Monday. So we'll be windy for both today and tomorrow. That's due to this cold front moving through. It kind of dies down a little bit on Sunday, but then it does get windy again heading into the beginning of next week. Steve.
Okay, Hannah, thanks. To the latest on former
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with a heavier rain this morning, but it is starting to make its way through. So let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Roads are wet. Definitely be careful of ponding on the roadways this morning. We are seeing cloudy skies, and we were seeing heavier rain a little bit earlier, but it is starting to move out and die down at this point. If we look at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we saw some thunderstorms overnight, some heavier rain, but as we can see here, has started to move off to the east, and we're just seeing some lighter to moderate rain showers in our area. This is due to this cold front moving through. We'll continue to push through this morning. We will be seeing this clear out by sunrise, and we will be seeing dry breaks throughout the day with peaks of sunshine, but it's still going to be unsettled with scattered showers and thunderstorms possible. So far, just one total from our Skywatchers. I will keep updating this as we get new information, but our Skywatchers in Morris did report 1.46 inches of rain in the overnight. So pretty heavy rain that did move through. It is going to clear out here this morning, and then once again, just scattered showers and weak thunderstorms, non-severe thunderstorms throughout the rest of the day. Our temperatures are in the 60s this morning, 63 degrees in Dowdesville and in Whitesboro. If we look to the south, still in the 60s, 63 degrees in Sherburne, Hamilton, and in Norwich. We'll just reach near 70 today. That's actually going to cool down once this cold front moves through, and that humidity will decrease as well. If we look to our west here, we are seeing lower dew points as this cold front moves through. So right now we're at 63 for the dew points, still muggy, but once it pushes through, this will start to decrease. So we do see widespread rain this morning, scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the day, and a few lingering scattered showers continue into tomorrow morning, but we will clear out later in the morning tomorrow to just cloudy skies, cooler conditions for the rest of the day, and then we'll remain dry for most of next week, it looks like so far. So tomorrow morning, just a few light to moderate scattered showers. Then we dry out for cloudy conditions, breezy weather, and then highs just in the upper 60s. Pretty cool day tomorrow, probably going to feel a little bit more like fall. We'll warm up again to some sunshine on Sunday. Highs are going to be near 80. So on our skycast by sunrise, it looks like that heavy rain clears out. We'll be seeing lots of dry periods throughout the day with peaks of sunshine. It's going to be breezy though, and then we will still see the chance of those scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms. We will continue to see scattered showers in the overnight into tomorrow morning, but by later morning tomorrow, we are dried out at this point. We should be dry by noon. Cloudy skies though, windy conditions, and highs are just going to be in the upper 60s. We start to see some sunshine right before sunset. So today, we are going to be seeing breaks for dry weather throughout the day, but scattered showers and thunderstorms continue. It will be windy with highs near 70, and we continue to see scattered showers tonight. A few showers linger into tomorrow morning, but will dry out tomorrow late morning and just see cloudy skies, cooler and windy weather for the day. We'll warm up again with sun on Sunday. Steve.
I got you. So a little dicey today. Really heavy rain still this morning right now, and then not too bad. But the weekend looking good, just cool. But it's August, right? So we were talking the other day, was it Thursday? Yesterday, I guess. How hot it was beginning of August. Now we're going to true August. It's crazy. But
yes.
Like we said, and you've been here now 2 years, right? So if you don't like the weather,
It always changes.
Wait 10 minutes, it changes, right? All right, sounds good. Thanks, Hannah. Well, Russia is staking.
From where the news comes first, this is News Channel 2 at Sunrise.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us this half hour. I'm Steve McMurray. Gary is off today.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
So heavy rain this morning and overnight, really heavy, and it's starting to wind down a little bit, but still be careful out there, some ponding on the roadways.
Yes, so just be careful for slippery spots on the roads, but at this point it is moving off to the east, so it's almost out. It should be almost dry by sunrise, so that's good, but then a few scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible for the rest of the day.
Yeah, we'd said that yesterday. We had Wednesday, Thursday were gorgeous. We knew today was going to be not the best of the bunch. So.
Yeah, but it looks to get a little bit better for the weekend, which is good.
Even better news.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. We can see here we were seeing widespread rain earlier, but most of Oneida County is starting to dry out. Same thing with kind of the eastern counties, but we're still seeing Herkimer, Otsego County, still seeing some moderate rain here this morning, but this is since continuing to move off into the east, and we look to be dry from this system by sunrise. Our temperatures are in the 60s this morning. We have 63 degrees in Little Falls and Whitesboro and 65 in Westmoreland. Once this cold are just going to be near 70 with a decreasing dew point. If we look to the west, we are seeing the dew points in the 50s after this cold front moved through. So we're at 62 degrees right now, but this will continue to decrease once this cold front pushes through. So we are going to be cooler, less humid today with this heavier rain clearing out this morning. A few breaks for dry weather and peaks of sunshine, but we are going to continue to see unsettled weather today with scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms, then even some lingering showers tomorrow morning before we dry out. So today, expect cloudy skies with a few peaks of sunshine, but we continue to see scattered showers and thunderstorms. It will remain just near 70 degrees, and it will be windy. I will talk a little bit more about this weekend's forecast coming up, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. New this morning, a team
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We are seeing the heavier rain clear out this morning. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. So our western portion, which includes Madison, Lewis, Oneida, Shenango counties, are mostly dry at this point. We're still seeing rain towards Otsego and Herkimer counties, but this will continue to move out, and then we will be seeing dry breaks throughout the day with scattered showers and pop-up non-severe thunderstorms. So if you were heading over to Frankfort for the fair again today, it is possible to see a few scattered showers and maybe a pop-up weaker thunderstorm. We also are going to be on the cooler side with temperatures just remaining in the mid to upper 60s, and it is going to be windy. So it may be an iffy day to head outside over to the fair. So today we see that heavier rain clearing out this morning, and we will be seeing breaks for dry weather and peaks of sunshine, but it's going to be windy today with scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms continuing for the rest of the day. We even see a few more lingering showers tomorrow morning before we dry out to cloudy skies and cooler weather tomorrow. Steve.
Okay, Hannah, sounds good. New this morning.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Hurricane Hillary is threatening parts of California and Arizona. The tropical cyclone reached Category 3 status on Thursday, and the National Hurricane Center expects it to get to Category 4 sometime today. Now, if Hillary makes landfall on U.S. soil as a tropical storm, that would mark the first time that's happened in nearly 84 years. The most recent forecast has Hillary staying as a tropical storm as it reaches Nevada.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are seeing heavier rain clear out this morning, and we will continue to see unsettled weather today. Let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Wet roads and ponding on the roadways to start, so definitely be careful of that when driving this morning. Still seeing rain at this time with cloudy skies, but it is starting to wind down. Here is a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We did see those thunderstorms and that heavier rain move through, especially in the overnight, but they are starting to move off into the east at this point, and we will dry out from this heavy rain by sunrise, it looks like this morning, as this cold front continues to push through. But we are still going to be unsettled today with scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the day. So far from our sky watchers, we received a couple different rainfall totals. We had just under 1.5 inches in Morris, same thing in Milford, and then just over an inch in Westdale. So it looks like we did range over an inch for this heavier rainfall that did move through last night. And then today we will be seeing dry breaks for a few peaks of sunshine throughout the day, but then scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms are still possible. We're in the 60s this morning. We have 63 degrees in Dowdesville, Little Falls, Whitesboro, 62 degrees in Deansboro, and to the south we have 59 degrees in Schenevus. We'll just reach near 70 today, so once this cold front pushes through, it will kind of keep us cool today, and it will decrease our dew point. So the dew point right now is at 62 degrees, a little bit muggy, but looking off into the west, that cold front that moves through decreased the dew point to the west, so we will continue to see this decrease today for lower humidity by this afternoon. So that widespread heavy rain moves out this morning. We do see scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the day, with a few lingering scattered showers into tomorrow morning. We'll dry out for tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then we'll remain dry for what looks like most of next week. So tomorrow, it is going to be cloudy for the day. We see a few light lingering showers in the morning, but by late morning, we are going to be dried out. It is going to be pretty chilly because we're going to be seeing low humidity and windy conditions. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s. Sunday, though, will warm up a little bit more, highs near 80 with partly sunny skies. So on our Skycast today, we will be seeing that heavier rain clear out before sunrise or just around the time of sunrise this morning. We continue to see pop-up showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the day with breaks of dry weather and peaks of sunshine. Highs are going to be near 70. Tonight, we will continue to see those scattered showers overnight and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's going to be a bit chilly, probably feeling a little bit more like fall. We see these showers clear out late morning, but it will continue to be cloudy, windy, and chilly with highs just in the upper 60s tomorrow. So today, we will be seeing cloudy skies with a few breaks for some sunshine. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible. It will be windy. And then tonight, we will continue to see scattered showers into tomorrow morning. We dry out tomorrow late morning, but it's going to be a cool day tomorrow. It's going to be windy. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s. And we do see the sunshine and warmer weather return Sunday. Steve.
All right, well, that is truly a mixed bag. Rain on and off today. Cool tomorrow, he said almost chilly.
Yes.
And then 80 on Sunday.
Yes.
A little bit of everything for everyone, right?
Yes, but then next week looks nice and warm.
It does. All right. Thanks a lot, Hannah. Well, it is 5. I'm Steve McMurray. Gary is off today.
And now I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Let's get right to a check of your forecast. 2 words sum up today: cloudy and rain, but more so rain this morning. If you were sleeping or trying to, really heavy rain.
Yes, we saw thunderstorms and heavy rain last night. The heavy rain has moved out this morning, so it's getting better. And then we'll just continue to see scattered showers and thunderstorms today.
And we are keeping an eye. We don't have any reports of flooding yet, but we're going to keep an eye out just in case some of that runoff from the hills goes down a little bit lower, because it did rain really hard.
Yes, but so far so good
So
this
far
morning.
so good. Awesome.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. The heavier rain starting to move out, still kind of affecting the Old Forge area and Otsego County, but most of it is out and off to the east this morning. We will continue to see scattered showers and thunderstorms today, with breaks of dry weather and even peaks of sunshine for the afternoon and evening. Temperatures right now are in the 60s. We have 62 degrees in Richfield Springs and Cooperstown, 60 degrees in Inlet. Today, we are actually going to be on the cooler side with highs just near 70, and that's due to this cold front moving through. The cold front will also break the humidity. If we look to our west, lower dew points over there, comfortable humidity because that cold front already moved through. We are at 63 degrees right now for the dew point, so still muggy, but this will decrease throughout the day. So the heavier rain clears out here this morning, but we continue to see scattered showers and thunderstorms, non-severe thunderstorms possible this afternoon and evening, with even breaks of dry weather and peaks of sunshine, and then just a few lingering showers into tomorrow morning. So for today, expect breaks of dry periods, peaks of sunshine, but scattered showers and storms are possible. It will be windy and cooler. I will talk a little bit more about this weekend's forecast coming up, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Let's get right to it. The Oneida County overdose for
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Welcome back. Now that the heavier rain moved out this morning, we continue to see the chance of scattered showers for the rest of the afternoon today and tonight. A few weaker thunderstorms are possible as well, and this will continue into tomorrow morning. But by the time tomorrow morning rolls around, it's just possible we could be seeing a few scattered light to moderate showers. We will dry out later in the morning, and then we will just be seeing cloudy skies and cooler weather for the rest of the day tomorrow. The humidity is also dropping as well due to this cold front moving through. It is going to be comfortable later today and then really comfortable tomorrow, almost chilly tomorrow because the temperature's only going to be in the 60s. And then we start to see the humidity on the rise again for Sunday and Monday. It's also going to be get a little bit windy today from this cold front today and tomorrow. We will drop down to a breeze on Sunday, but then windy again on Monday. Steve.
All right, thanks to the latest now on former President.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies this morning. A few showers still lingering, but that heavy rain has moved out. Let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Just be careful on the roads this morning. We are still seeing some slippery spots and ponding on the roadways because the rain that we did see overnight was pretty heavy. And if we take a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we can see that that heavy band has moved off into the east. We are just seeing a few scattered showers, especially in the southern valleys, including Otsego County this morning. This is due to this cold front moving through. This cold front will continue to push through today, bringing in the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the day, but nothing looks severe and no more rain looks too heavy. But the rain that fell last night was definitely heavy, especially in the southern valleys. Here are some rainfall totals from our sky watchers. We had almost 2 inches in Hartwick, just under ½ an inch in Morris, and same thing in Clinton, even Milford, just over an inch in Westdale, and then only 0.6 inches in New Hartford. So it looks like the heavier rain did fall in the southern valleys last night. And our sky watchers have us in the 60s this morning, 64 degrees in Deerfield, New Hartford, Clinton, and Westdale. And to the south, 60 degrees in Hartwick, 61 degrees in Westford. Today will just remain near 70 degrees for the high temperature. That cold front will keep us cool, and it will also start to decrease the dew point as well. If we look to our west, we are seeing dew point values in the 50s. Ours is at 63 degrees right now, so still a bit muggy, but this will continue to decrease throughout the day as this cold front pushes through. We will continue to see the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the day, and then we will be seeing a few scattered showers linger into tomorrow morning. But then after tomorrow morning, we dry out for a dry rest of the weekend, and then even most of next week looks dry. So for the weekend, tomorrow we see a few lingering showers in the morning. We'll dry out late morning and then just see cloudy skies, cooler and windy weather for the afternoon, almost chilly tomorrow with highs just in the upper 60s. Sunday will warm up a little bit more with sunshine and highs near 80. So today we continue to see the possibility of scattered showers and thunderstorms, but we will be seeing lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine throughout the day. It will remain windy. Then tonight we will continue to see scattered showers in the overnight that will linger a little bit into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow it's almost going to feel like fall, chilly, because we are going to be cloudy for most of the day. Even once those showers clear out, it is going to remain windy with low humidity, and highs are just going to be in the upper 60s. We start to see some sunshine later in the afternoon. So for today, expect cloudy skies, but then we start to see some sun come in. There is the possibility of scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms. We will be windy with highs just near 70, and then we will continue to see scattered showers overnight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, those showers will clear out late morning, but it's going to be chilly with low humidity and windy conditions tomorrow. We'll warm up with more sunshine coming in Sunday, Steve.
All right, so a mixed bag, as we said, for today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Decent weekend, a little chilly, but then it's 80 on Sunday, so.
Yes, and then next week looks nice in the 70s. So.
All right, so like we said, something for everybody.
Yes.
All right, thanks, Hannah. Be sure to like us on Facebook.
First, this is News Channel 2 at sunrise.
Good morning. Thank you for joining us this half hour. I'm Steve McMurray. Gary is off today.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And heavy rain overnight, but it looks like it's moved out of the area now.
Yes, so heavy rain has moved out this morning. We will continue to see unsettled weather today with scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms possible, but it doesn't look too bad at all.
Good to hear.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the York Full Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. It is still possible to see ponding on the roadways. Just be careful of that this morning, but that heavy rain has moved out. We are just seeing lighter showers in southern Herkimer and northern Otsego County, and there is a very weak thunderstorm moving towards the Rome, Utica area at this point this morning, but then the rest of us are all dried out. Our temperatures are in the 60s, 62 degrees in Little Falls, Richfield Springs, 61 degrees in Cooperstown, and will remain on the cooler side today. Highs are just going to be near 70 since that cold front moved through, and the cold front will start to drop that dew point. If you look to our west, dew points are in the 50s. We will continue to see this dew point decrease today after this cold front moves through, but right now we're a little bit muggy at 63 degrees. So that rain has cleared out here this morning. We will see scattered showers and thunderstorms for this afternoon, but we also will be seeing lots of periods of dry weather and some sun, and then we do see some lingering showers tomorrow morning. So today, expect scattered showers, weaker thunderstorms possible. It will be windy, but we also are going to be seeing periods of dry weather and some sun, and I will talk a little bit more about this weekend's forecast coming up, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. And don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. New this morning, a team.
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. The heavier rain last night and this morning has since moved out. We are just seeing a few lighter showers in Otsego and southern Herkimer counties. There's also a weaker thunderstorm moving towards Rome and Utica at this point, but that heavy rain has since moved out. We will continue to see the possibility of scattered showers and thunderstorms today as it remains unsettled. So if you were going to head over to Frankfort for the Herkimer County Fair, it may be a bit iffy. It's also going to be cooler today, mid to upper 60s, less humid and windy. and a pop-up shower or thunderstorm is possible, so maybe bring the umbrella just in case. So we do see that heavy rain clear out here this morning with the possibility of scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, but there are going to be plenty of breaks in that rain for dry weather and even some sunshine. Then we see some showers lingering into tomorrow morning before we completely dry out. Steve.
All right, thanks a lot, Hannah. Well, new this morning, more young
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Hurricane Hillary is threatening parts of California and Arizona. The tropical cyclone reached Category 3 status Thursday, and the National Hurricane Center expects it to get to Category 4 sometime today. Now, if Hillary makes landfall on U.S. soil as a tropical storm, that would mark the first time that's happened in nearly 84 years. The most recent forecast has Hillary staying as a tropical storm even as it reaches Nevada.
In the lowest level of activation.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies this morning, and the heavier rain that we did see overnight and earlier has since moved out. So let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Roads may still be a little bit wet and slippery, so just be careful of that, but all of that heavy rain has moved out. We cannot rule out the possibility of more scattered showers and storms for the rest of the day. So here's a look now at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Just a few lighter showers to the eastern portion of our viewing area. Also a weaker thunderstorm moving towards Rome and Utica at this point this morning. But otherwise, we are mostly dry, seeing this cold front continuing to push through, and that brings in the chance of more scattered showers and thunderstorms today, but nothing looks severe and no showers look too heavy. The heavier rain fell last night, and our sky watchers did report some rainfall this morning. It looks like the heaviest rain did fall to the southern valleys, 2 inches in Evanston, 1 3/4 inches in Hartwick, even just under 1.5 inches in Morris, and then in Clinton, same thing in Milford. And then looking at New Hartford, we did get the lowest total there, 0.06 of an inch of rain. So it looks like the heaviest rain did fall in the southern valleys overnight and this morning. We are mostly dried out now, and our sky watchers have us in the 60s, 64 degrees in Westdale, Deerfield, Clinton, and New Hartford. And if we look to the south, 60 degrees in Hartwick, 61 degrees in Westford. We'll just reach near 70 today. That cold front moving through will keep us cool. It will also start to decrease the dew point. So if we look to our west, we are in the 50s for the dew point. That's after the cold front moved through. It broke that humidity. So our dew point this morning will continue to drop. Right now we're a little bit muggy at 63 degrees, but we should feel comfortable and cooler by later today. So Nala and her neighbor Brick this morning are a little bit upset that they did see some rainfall. So just be careful of, once again, ponding on the roadways this morning and a few scattered showers later. But we're also going to be seeing plenty of periods of dry weather and some sunshine as well. So Brick and Nala are excited to soak up that sunshine when they do see it today. But otherwise, they'll just stay inside today and keep away from the rain that's falling. We will continue to see even a few more lingering showers into tomorrow morning, but by tomorrow late morning we start to clear out. We will be mostly cloudy and cooler tomorrow, and then we'll remain dry for what looks like most of next week. So on our Skycast today, we will just continue to see scattered showers and thunderstorms, but as we can see here at noon, we are going to be seeing plenty of breaks in this rain for sunshine and dry weather. Nothing looks severe either. It's just going to be a little bit windy today with highs near 70. And overnight, we will continue to see scattered showers with the low in the 50s. So tomorrow morning, scattered showers do continue a little bit, but they are going to be lighter, and then we'll dry out later in the morning to just cloudy skies. But it's going to feel cooler tomorrow, almost like fall, as it's windy, cloudy, and highs are just going to be in the upper 60s. We start to see some sunshine come in later in the afternoon tomorrow. So for today, expect periods of dry weather, even some sunshine, but scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms are still possible. We will be windy with highs near 70, and we will continue to see scattered showers tonight into tomorrow morning a little bit, but we do look to dry out tomorrow later in the morning for cloudy skies, a few peaks of sunshine. It's just going to be cooler tomorrow and windy, but we'll warm up to some sunshine starting on Sunday, Steve.
All right, a lot of activities outside this weekend, so should be okay. Maybe a little rain Saturday morning, you
Yes,
said. But
just the morning, so it should be fine.
all right, sounds good. Thanks a lot, Hannah. Well, a little girl is okay. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve McMurray. Gary is off today.
And I'm Swim Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
All right, well, let's get right to the forecast. It's rainy today, but so it's going to be today, but nice weekend coming.
Yes, so the heavy rain cleared out this morning. We'll just continue to see scattered showers and thunderstorms possible today, and then it dries out tomorrow later in the day, and then will be nice for Sunday.
All right, and so we'll take it.
Yes.
All right.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Heavier rain has cleared out this morning. We are just seeing a few pop-up showers, a weaker thunderstorm moving towards Rome, Utica at this point. Today, since this heavy rain cleared out, we're still seeing that cold front move through. So we are going to be seeing scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms, but there's also going to be breaks for dry weather and even some sunshine. Our temperatures are in the 60s right now, 63 degrees in Whitesboro and 65 degrees in Westmoreland. Highs today will just reach near 70. That cold front moving through keeps us cool. It's also decreasing the dew point at this point. We are at 62 degrees for the dew point, so a little bit muggy, but if we look to our west, they're in the 50s after that cold front moved through. So we will continue to see this number decrease today for lower humidity by this afternoon. So today, scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to be possible, but we're also going to be seeing breaks of dry weather and even some sunshine. But we do see a few lingering showers into tomorrow morning before we dry out completely. So today, once again, expect some clouds, some sun, scattered showers and thunderstorms. It will be windy with highs just near 70. I will talk a little bit more about this weekend's forecast coming up, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Let's get right to it. The Oneida County.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies this morning, and the heavy rain from last night has moved out. Let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Roads may still be a little bit wet, so be careful of that, but we are mostly dry at this point. If we take a look at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, the heavier rain and the thunderstorms have moved out into the east. We are seeing a weaker thunderstorm in Oneida County at this point, but then the rest of us are dry, and we will continue to see the possibility of scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Nothing looks severe and nothing looks heavy, but this is still because this cold front is moving through. Last night we did receive some heavier rain. Once again, our sky watchers had the most amount of rain falling in the southern valleys. 2 inches in Evanston, 1 3/4 inch in Hartwick, and then just under 1.5 inches in Morris, Clinton, and in Milford, and 0.6 inches in New Hartford. So heavier rain did fall last night. We are mostly dry at this point, and today we will be seeing breaks of dry weather and even some sunshine in between scattered showers and thunderstorms. We are in the 60s this morning, 65 degrees in Mohawk, and if we look to the south, we have 62 degrees in Cooperstown, Morris, and in West Lawrence. We'll just reach near 70 today. That cold front will keep us cool. It will also start to decrease the dew point. We're a little bit muggy right now, 63 degrees, but looking to our west, it is much lower there after the cold front moves through, so that will continue to decrease today. We will also continue to see a few lingering scattered showers tomorrow morning before we fully dry out later in the morning tomorrow. And then next week, most of the week looks dry with sunshine. So on our skycast today, we will see periods of dry weather and even some breaks in the clouds for sunshine. We'll just be near 70 for the high, and it will be windy with scattered showers and non-severe thunderstorms possible. Those scattered showers continue tonight with the low in the 50s. And tomorrow morning, a few showers are possible, but we look to dry out later in the morning to cloudy skies. We'll be almost cool tomorrow. We'll just be in the upper 60s for the high temperature, and it will be windy with these clouds. But it is possible to see a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine later in the afternoon and evening. So for today, expect breaks in the clouds for some sunshine, also periods of dry weather. Scattered showers and weaker thunderstorms are possible with windy conditions. Scattered showers continue tonight into tomorrow morning before we dry out. We'll be cooler and windy tomorrow, but we will warm up with some sunshine and highs near 80 on Sunday.
Let's head over to the Weather Center and meteorologist Hannah Evans. Hannah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Steve. We are cleared out from the heavy rain this morning. We are just tracking the possibility of a pop-up shower this afternoon. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Scattered showers up to the north and then just a few pop-up showers in the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys. So it is still going to remain unsettled this afternoon, but lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine as well. We're also seeing humidity gone. We're at 57 degrees for that dew point. It is feeling much more comfortable outside after that cold front moved through, but it is a little bit windy, 15 miles per hour wind speed coming in at the Rivers Park Airport in Rome. So it is comfortable today in terms of humidity, but it's windy, and we see the possibility of pop-up showers and non-severe thunderstorms with plenty of breaks of dry weather and sunshine. We are even going to continue to see a few lingering showers into tomorrow morning. So for the rest of today, expect a few pop-up showers. Highs just in the low 70s. It's also going to be windy. I will talk a little bit more about the weekend forecast coming up, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Hurricane Hilary has strengthened to a Category 4 storm. The storm is making its way toward California, threatening to bring strong winds and heavy rains to the southwestern United States. Now, according to the National Weather Service, the hurricane is expected to bring, quote, significant impacts to the southwest this weekend into early next week. So far, the system has reached maximum sustained winds of 140 miles an hour. If Hurricane Hilary makes landfall in California, even as a tropical storm, it will be the first one to do so in 84 years. Canadian authorities started to
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking a few pop-up showers now with partly sunny skies. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. As we can see, partly sunny skies. We're seeing peaks of sunshine this afternoon, and we are dry here in Utica. But we are seeing a few pop-up showers. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Say the heaviest shower is just north of Old Forge. And as we can see here, a few pop-ups in the Mohawk Valley and then in Otsego County here this afternoon. We are going to continue to see the possibility of pop-up showers, maybe even a weaker non-severe thunderstorm for the rest of the afternoon and tonight. This is due to the cold front moving through. It has moved through. It did drop the humidity and it left behind a 15 miles per hour wind. So it's windy outside. Probably feels a little bit cool because we're just near 70 at this hour. We are a little bit warmer here in Ilion, 73 degrees, but just 63 degrees in Old Forge, 68 degrees in Otsego, and then once again that 15 miles per hour wind speed coming in. Our lower humidity as well, just 57 degrees for that dew point, so it is feeling pretty comfortable as you step outside. So Nala and her neighbor this afternoon are excited. They are seeing some sunshine. They also actually like to watch the rain showers that come down because they're not too heavy. You should be fine driving anywhere for the rest of the afternoon. Pop-up showers, maybe a weaker thunderstorm is possible for the rest of the day, but we're also seeing plenty of dry weather and plenty of sunshine. So Nala and Brick are happy about that. If you were going to head over to Frankfort for the Herkimer County Fair, it won't be too bad for that. I would maybe just bring the umbrella just in case because a pop-up shower is possible. We see lingering scattered showers into tomorrow morning, but this clears out pretty quickly. By later tomorrow morning, we should be dry. We're just going to be seeing more clouds throughout the rest of the day tomorrow, and it's going to be cooler and windy again. Highs are just in the upper 60s. We'll start to warm up a little bit more for some sunshine on Sunday. So for the rest of this afternoon, expect windy conditions. We are going to be seeing partly sunny skies and then a few pop-up showers, maybe a weaker thunderstorm is possible. Overnight, we will continue to see these showers into tomorrow morning. We will dry out later in the morning tomorrow to just cloudy skies. A few peaks of sunshine are possible again tomorrow, but it's going to be cooler and windy. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s. So for the rest of today, expect a pop-up shower, a weaker thunderstorm. It's going to remain windy, and we are seeing low humidity at this point with highs just in the low 70s. Tonight, scattered showers do continue, and they continue a little bit into tomorrow morning, but we do dry out tomorrow later in the morning. We will be seeing clouds for the rest of the day tomorrow. It's going to be cooler and windy. Will warm up again starting on Sunday. Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Happening this week, Hannah Evans. Hannah, good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon, Steve. We are continuing to see some unsettled weather today, but the weekend looks to dry out. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Just a few pop-up showers this afternoon, but we are seeing plenty of dry weather, plenty of sunshine. We are going to continue to see the possibility of a pop-up shower or a weaker thunderstorm for the rest of today. That's because the cold front moved through. It dropped our humidity as well, just 57 degrees for the dew point now. We are nice and comfortable outside, but it did leave behind some wind, 15 miles per hour for the wind speed being measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. So it is possible to see a few more pop-up showers and thunderstorms for the rest of today, even a few lingering showers into tomorrow morning. But we are going to be seeing plenty of breaks of dry weather and sunshine, and after those showers tomorrow morning, we will dry out for the rest of the day. So for today, expect pop-up showers possible. We'll reach the lower 70s and will be windy. I will talk a little bit more about the weekend forecast coming up, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Sheriffs in Fulton County.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking partly sunny skies this afternoon with a few pop-up showers. Let's take a look now at downtown Utica. We are seeing partly sunny skies and dry conditions here in Utica, but we are seeing pop-up showers this afternoon. Here is a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is left over from the cold front that did move through this morning. Just a few light to moderate, very quick pop-up showers are possible. Even a weaker, non-severe thunderstorm, and that will be for the rest of today and tonight due to this cold front moving through, and the cold front also left behind windy conditions and lower humidity. Our sky watchers have us just near 70 this afternoon, 69 degrees in Cassville and 70 degrees in Clinton. We will stay just near 70 today for the high temperature, and then we will really cool down tomorrow. That cold front once again also broke the humidity. We have just 57 degrees for the dew point. That is in the comfortable category. We will continue to see this number decrease into tomorrow for almost no humidity outside tomorrow. But today, if you were still going to head out over to Frankfort for the Herkimer County Fair, it should be fine for that. I would maybe just bring the umbrella just in case, because a pop-up shower or a weaker thunderstorm is possible, but they're very small and they're quick moving. It's probably only going to last 10, 20 minutes. So I would say a nice afternoon for the fair still, as we are seeing some sunshine and plenty of dry weather. We will continue to see a few scattered showers tomorrow morning still, but then we'll dry out later in the morning tomorrow to cloudy skies mostly for the rest of the day. And then we will see a return to sunshine and dry conditions for Sunday, and it looks to remain dry for most of next week. So tomorrow we start out in the morning a little bit iffy with a few showers, but it clears out quickly. We look mostly cloudy for the rest of the day with a few peaks of sunshine possible later in the day. It's going to be a lot less humid. It's going to be a lot cooler, just the upper 60s for the high temperature, and it's still going to be windy tomorrow. We start to warm up a little bit more with some sunshine on Sunday. So on our Skycast today, plenty of dry weather and peaks of sunshine, but we are seeing the possibility of a few pop-up showers. It's also windy, and we will continue to see those scattered showers overnight into tomorrow morning. So tomorrow, later morning, we dry out to cloudy skies. We'll just be in the upper 60s tomorrow for the high temperature, though, and it is going to remain windy. We start to see a few peaks of sunshine later, especially for the southern valleys. So for today, expect the possibility of a pop-up shower, maybe a weaker thunderstorm, but otherwise we are partly sunny and windy. We continue to see those scattered showers tonight into tomorrow morning. We dry out later in the morning tomorrow. It's just going to be cooler and windy with highs in the upper 60s, and it is going to be mostly cloudy. We see some sunshine possible for the southern valleys tomorrow. We see a warm up on Sunday with sunshine, and it looks dry and nice for most of next week. Steve.
All right, and a couple bumps in the road, but that's a pretty nice 7-day forecast.
Yes,
if
I
it holds out
agree.
like that. Awesome. Thanks a lot. Well, we turn now to the
Forecast, Chief Meteorologist Bill Karnas getting us set for the weekend. I'd like to be excited because it's beautiful out there. Well, at least it was. Things are changing, though, on the weather, right?
Well, thankfully, we are still in that time of the year where any wet weather doesn't usually last the whole day. We are tracking some showers this evening. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We do expect the evening to be pretty wet with rounds of rain and showers dropping in from the northwest. But the weather does improve as we head into Saturday. Our current temperature is 66 degrees. Very comfortable out there. Our weather headlines: showers linger around tonight. Temperatures climb to near 70 tomorrow with clouds and maybe a sprinkle, but overall a pretty nice start to the weekend. It's going to feel a lot more like summer again as we look ahead to Sunday with more in the way of some sunshine and warmer temperatures. We're in the 60s this evening with a few lingering showers. Again, taking a look at that weekend forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Former Albany Diocese Bishop Howard.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking a few scattered showers this evening, working in from the northwest. These are going to linger around for a good portion of the evening and tonight, and a few of them even into the start of the weekend. But the weather in general does look to improve beginning Saturday. Here's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Hope you had the chance to enjoy a little bit of sunshine this afternoon. We had a wet start to the day, but we did get some breaks. And again, those showers will be approaching from the northwest as we head into this evening. A live look in downtown Utica. It is wet, and again, more showers will be moving through. Some isolated showers as we head into Saturday. The weather looks nice as we head into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I know we've had a lot of days with rain lately, but we are going to snap out of this weather pattern as we look ahead. That will have consecutive dry days. Again, looking at the weekend forecast, Sunday looks to be the nicer of the two weekend days. Temperatures climb into the low 80s with partly to mostly sunny skies and a few lingering showers, again, to start the weekend. The breeze will be around about as much as what we saw today, maybe a little bit less. Sunday, the breeze looks light, and then breezy conditions expected again as we head into Monday and Tuesday. You notice the wind on days like today because we haven't had much of it lately. August, at least from a climate standpoint, is one of the least windiest months of the whole year. And that'll be changing as we continue to the next several weeks. Radar and satellite image, a low pressure system to our north driving our weather now as it starts to drag in some of these showers and cooler temperatures. It is going to be cool tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s with cloudy skies and some lingering showers. Gloomy start to Saturday, but we should see improving weather. We'll get a chance to dry out in the afternoon. We'll get a few breaks of sunshine. Temperatures look to climb to near 70. Clearing skies Saturday night. The weather on Sunday looks pretty nice. We're looking at partly sunny skies, warmer. High temperatures look to climb into the low to mid 80s, so a warm finish to the weekend. A few scattered showers tonight, low of 55 degrees. Tomorrow, a breezy day. Mostly cloudy, a passing shower, but really not too bad. A very comfortable day, a high of 70. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunday, 83. Then we start to cool off. Monday, mostly cloudy, 78. While most of the country is going to see very hot temperatures next week, in the Northeast, we are going to stay away from that. We're going to be in the 70s. It's going to be very comfortable, plenty of sunshine heading into most of the week.
That's probably good news. I mean, because that hot weather is really hot.
Really hot, like upper 90s towards Minnesota.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's wild. All right, thanks, Bill. Speaking of wild, Hurricane Hillary. Bill Curtis looking ahead to a nice weekend, maybe? Get out on the boat.
Yeah, I think Sunday will be better than Saturday if you're looking to get out on the boat. If you're going out tomorrow anyway, it is going to be a cool one. Comfortable. Temperatures will be close to 70 degrees. Could see a brief shower, but it's the wind that will make it not very favorable for boating. Winds from the west 10 to 15 miles an hour, which means there'll be a chop, especially on some of the larger bodies of water. The waves 1 to as much as 3 feet, especially tomorrow afternoon. Looking to cut the lawn this weekend. I know we've had a lot of wet weather lately. The grass is growing like crazy. I think Sunday will be a good day to do that, as well as Monday. Our MoCast is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. Saturday will be okay too. I just think those other 2 days will be better. Looking at your forecast for this evening, scattered showers are dropping in from the northwest, and we'll see more of them throughout this evening. Not the best evening to take the dog for a walk. But if you do need to get out, temperatures will be in the low to mid 60s. Tonight's featured dogs, Evie and Lola from Rome. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. We've got a look at the weekend forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you. The New York State Woodsman.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking rain across the region this evening. We saw sunshine earlier today, but the weather is changing. And this is a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're going to get hit by this. This is just some heavier rain, some downpours. Can't rule out a rumble of thunder just based on how the reflectivity looks like on the radar. There's a lot of convection taking place this evening. That's just rapidly rising air. At the very least, a few downpours will be taking place too. Here's a live look at our Nexus Center tower camera. In fact, we're actually going to turn this to the west, and we'll see if we can get a shot of some of those clouds starting to roll in from the west. You can see, yeah, things are starting to change here. The clouds will thicken up as we head into this evening, and again, a lot of us are going to be experiencing more rain. The rain outlook doesn't look to continue to the weekend. We do have a few showers on Saturday, but don't cancel any outdoor plans. Should be a pretty comfortable day with temperatures in the 60s to low 70s. It gets a lot warmer on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. We see some dry weather. I know we've gotten a lot of rain lately, but we will start to get out of this weather pattern, and we are looking forward to some consecutive dry days. How about that? As we head into early next week. The wind is unfortunately not going anywhere. Looking at breezy conditions on Saturday, light winds Sunday, breezy conditions Monday and Tuesday. We're not really used to this. August is the least windiest month of the whole year across central New York, and we're going to start to see windier days as we inevitably head towards fall. Temperatures in the 60s this evening. Forestport 60 degrees, as well as Old Forge. Sequoia 61, Richfield 66, and Westford checking in with 64. Low pressure to the north driving our weather today. We saw a window of sunshine before this next round of rain is moving in. And again, we're going to continue to track those showers out there through tonight. So do expect to see more of them down into the upper 50s by tomorrow morning. A generally cloudy, gloomy start to Saturday, but I do think we'll see some sunshine, especially in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures climb to near 70. So again, pretty nice day. Looking at partly cloudy skies tomorrow night. Overnight lows near 50, in the mid 50s, I should say. And then Sunday should warm up. Temperatures climb back to more summer-like conditions with highs in the low 80s. Scattered showers tonight down to 55. Tomorrow, a comfortable day, a passing shower, mostly cloudy. Definitely not looking to be a washout, though. High of 70. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunday looks beautiful, 83. And the weather next week looks generally dry and sunny. More clouds on Monday, though, 78. Sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Temperatures in the mid-70s. Very comfortable during the day and comfortably cool at night with overnight lows in the 50s. We'll be right back.
For a first look at the forecast tonight, we bring in Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. And you're tracking some rain coming this way, right?
Yes, it looks like the rain is going to be pretty widespread this evening. So if you're trying to get out and enjoy a nice day, you didn't get a chance to get out earlier, I think your window is closing pretty quickly. Here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All that yellow is heading right this way. We're talking about a pretty soggy evening. Current temperature is 64. It's comfortable. It's cool for this point in August, and we're looking at a few showers lingering around tonight. It'll be a comfortable start to the weekend, not quite as cool as today, tomorrow. We're expecting temperatures to warm up. It's going to feel a lot more like summer again as we head into Sunday. This evening, again, tracking widespread rain. Temperatures in the 60s, breezy conditions continue. Things, again, improve as we head into the weekend. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The National Park Service.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Not too bad of a day today. We had some rain around, especially early, some sunshine in the afternoon, and now things are starting to change. This is a live look At the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, widespread rain is approaching from the west, and this will be moving through our area within the hours when a lot of this rain is going to begin. And once it does so, you can see that there's quite a bit of it out towards Syracuse and beyond. So I think things are going to become a washout for later this evening. Enjoy the sunshine while we have it. This is looking downtown Utica. I pointed the camera in the direction of those rain showers. You can see them in the distance here. So again, those will be approaching, and we'll see those here this evening and early tonight. Taking the boat out tomorrow, we'll have a brief shower around. Temperatures will be near 70. Not the worst day to be out on the water, but it will be a windy day. So if you're not a fan of waves, not really a great day to be out on the boat. Thinking that could have waves between about 1 to 3 feet, just depending on the size body of water that you're on. A brief shower tomorrow, again, a high of 70 degrees. Sunday looks a lot warmer. We're expecting temperatures to make their way into the low 80s. Less wind on Sunday, too, so more summer-like on Sunday, more comfortable weather expected on Saturday. Temperatures in the 60s this evening. Inlet 63, Clinton 67, Edmondson, Christopher with 64, and Morris checking in with 65. We've got low pressure working in from the north, bringing us the unsettled weather this evening. This will be around tonight. Again, looking at widespread showers. Overnight lows drop down into the mid-50s. We start out gloomy, generally overcast skies Saturday morning, but we should see some sunshine later in the day. It may take a little while to get that, but by 4 or 5 o'clock, partly sunny skies, temperatures in the low 70s. Improving weather for Sunday. We'll see skies clear out Saturday night, and the winds turn into the south, bringing in much warmer weather here for the second half of the weekend. Scattered showers tonight, down to 55. Breezy tomorrow, comfortable. Looking at mostly cloudy skies. Small chance of a passing shower, but again, don't let that ruin any of your outdoor plans. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The weather pattern changes. I know we've been stuck in a rainy pattern for the past couple of weeks, but we should break out of that next week. We should have consecutive dry days in a row. Imagine that. It didn't rain all summer, just some of it.
All right. Thanks, Phil. Thanks. Still to come on News Channel 2. Time now for our first look at the forecast tonight. We bring in Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Kind of a busy night in the Weather Center. A lot of rain coming through.
We have rain, and it's coming from Lake Ontario. This is lake effect rain. It is a thing. It is a lot more common than a lot of people realize, and it's the same setup as lake effect snow, just in a much warmer environment. Warm water, cool air. And again, we are tracking that across the region this evening. Let's take a look at the temperature, 58 degrees. It is a cold rain. Cold for August standards, let's not be that dramatic. We are expecting the weather to remain pretty quiet here as we head into tonight. It looks like we are going to be tracking more rain through tomorrow morning before things start to wind down. Heading into the second half of the day. I think the second part of the weekend is looking a lot better than the first half. We've got much warmer temperatures on the way and some much needed dry weather. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you. New tonight, the Rome.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Kind of a dreary night across central New York with widespread rain. This is rain coming from Lake Ontario, lake effect rain this evening. You can see the bands setting up along a northwest wind. Lake effect rain is very similar. It forms in the same way as lake effect snow with a warmer lake temperature and a cooler air. Of course, this is the warmer version of it. It is actually very common in the second half of summer and into the early fall. This is going to keep us pretty wet tonight. Could also linger into Saturday to start out the weekend. This is a live look in downtown Utica. Again, looking at a dreary start to the weekend. Showers around, some lake effect showers early in the day, but do think that the weather will improve in the afternoon. A high temperature of 70 degrees on Saturday. Sunday looks better, partly sunny, 83 for the high. The winds are going to continue on Saturday, but the winds become much lighter, so Sunday looks to be the better of the days to take the boat out for a drive or head to the beach. Temperatures are going to trend close to average over the next several days. We're below average tomorrow, and then we'll get pretty close to that here as we get into early next week. The bigger story next week is some much needed dry weather. Radar and satellite image showing lake effect rain showers in the wake of low pressure that's lifting to the north and east. This will continue to bring showers to our area tonight. Overnight lows look to drop down into the mid-50s. I think we're going to have some lake effect showers around Saturday morning, but we should start to dry out as we head into the afternoon. The winds also turn more westerly, so that should keep the lake effect bands north. Temperatures are going to be on the cool side, but comfortable. We'll be close to 70 degrees for the high. The weather tomorrow night looks to clear out. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s. And then on Sunday, the wind direction changes, and that's going to allow much warmer temperatures to arrive. And it's going to be a beautiful day. High temperatures look to climb into the low 80s with, again, much lighter winds. Tonight, lake effect rain showers, a low of 55. Tomorrow, lake effect rain showers in the morning, followed by drier conditions, comfortable but cooler than average with a high of 70. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, 83 on Sunday. Looks like a beautiful day. Next week, we get into a quiet weather pattern, mostly cloudy Monday, 78. Sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Temperatures in the mid-70s, very comfortable during the day. Comfortable at night. A lot of the nation's going to be dealing with heat. West Coast dealing with Hurricane Hillary.
Yeah.
Things are looking quiet here.
We haven't seen a stretch like that all of August, really. It's been
Yeah,
since July where we've had like 4 or 5 days in a
consecutive
row.
dry days in a row. Yeah, it's been a while, and it looks like that could happen.
All right, well, we'll enjoy it then. Thank you, Bill. Coming up next, the latest. And now for a first look at the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. We'll talk about the weekend in a moment. First, we're still tracking some rain out there tonight. It's kind of soggy.
Yeah, it's kind of a gloomy night. On the cool side, too, for August, we're continuing to track these rain showers from Lake Ontario. We'll talk more about this and where this is coming from in just a second. But heading into the weekend, the weather is expected to improve slowly. If you're going to be heading out on the boat tomorrow, probably not the best day for that. And that's not just for the cool weather. Actually, it's pretty comfortable. We're looking at temperatures close to 70, but it's the wind. That west wind between 10 to 15 miles an hour could create a little bit of a chop, especially in some of those bigger bodies of water. Again, that wind will be strongest in the afternoon time. Looking to cut the lawn, I know we've been getting a lot of rain. I think we're going to go with no tomorrow, even though most of the day is dry. I think it's going to take time to dry out. Sunday and Monday will be better days for that. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. The forecast heading into this evening, again, it's cool out there. It's 58 degrees, blustery conditions, and good night for sleeping. You can give the air conditioner a break at least. Overnight lows will drop down into the mid-50s. We've got to look at that weekend forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you. New tonight.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
No, our tower cam is not broken. We're just not able to see much here on Smith Hill as some fog has rolled in. And that is going to be the case tonight as we take a live look at the Airfield Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is lake effect rain. It's coming from Lake Ontario. That is a thing. It's not just lake effect snow that is something that drives our weather, but lake effect rain is something that can happen, and it's the same process as lake effect snow, but just in the warmer season. When you have warmer water interacting with cooler air, this is producing rain showers, and you can often get lake effect rain. We'll likely see this many more times here as we slowly march towards fall. The lake effect rain showers will linger around through tomorrow morning before things start to improve as cooler weather starts to retreat. A live look in downtown Utica. Again, just a dreary evening. You can see the wind carrying the rain showers with it. Again, just kind of a gloomy, kind of a lousy evening here in central New York. But as we head into Saturday, we will see some improvements. Showers in the morning, followed by sunshine in the afternoon, a high of 70. Sunday looks a lot nicer for outdoor activities, warmer and a lot more summer-like with a high temperature of 83 degrees. The temperature trend, again, aside from the cool weather recently, we will get closer to average as we head into next week, with temperatures generally in the upper 70s. Radar and satellite image shows low pressure to the north driving our weather this evening, giving us clouds, rain showers, and again with that wind off of Lake Ontario, some lake effect rain showers, and those will continue overnight, and I think they even linger into tomorrow morning. Our computer models often have trouble pointing out marginal lake effect conditions, and I think we'll have a few showers around first thing tomorrow morning. Eventually, those should end by the afternoon. Clouds around through about noontime, and then some breaks of sunshine. A comfortable day for summer standards. Temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. Partly cloudy skies tomorrow night. Overnight lows in the 50s. Sunday looks a lot nicer, a lot more summer-like. A south wind taking over, sunshine, and temperatures in the low 80s. Scattered showers tonight down to 55. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, a passing shower, especially in the morning, a high of 70. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunday, 83 for the high, less wind. The weather next week looks nice. And look at that, it's not going to rain all summer like I've been hearing about on Facebook all day.
Yeah. You gotta stay away from Facebook.
I know, I'm going to take a weekend off.
You do that. I
Yeah.
think I will too. All right, thanks, Phil. Hurricane